ndamukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, namuntlha of course hi ta hi kha hi vulavula hi Gagash. Yeah, of course ta hi kha hi concentrate ngopfu vhele eka vito ra yena Gagash. Because ivi a reveal kahle vito leri ra yena ri suka kwini, so ta hi kha hi swi landzelerisa hi vona ku no swi fike njhani ku ze ku va ku ri Gagash, because vhele Gagash ko va vito ra yena ra a nickname and stuff like that. Let's go.
Wala ta tiva vito ra Gagash ri huma kwini. Okay, vito ra Gagash a ku ri Univen. Those who know the song Summertime from DJ Tira, there's a song called Summertime from
Univen. It's because during that period University of Venda.
DJ Tira. I can sing it a little bit. It's a sunny day and everybody is feeling okay. Hoza Sidi Sama, Hoza Gagash. It's a sunny day. Hoza Sidi Sama, Yamnani Lewe. That song is DJ Tira Summertime. Cheka Summertime. Similarly, I used to play Ravuma 2006 somewhere there. 2007, 2008 somewhere there. So between 2007 and 2008, similarly, under player varsity, I used to play that song more often, like randomly.
Okay.
No kumangena chance and tlangar similar. Kumangena chance and tlangar similar. Kuma chance and tlangar similar. So I uncan some tlangar similar. So these other Zimbabweans, Laban Samana Voxum, Kuala Aisharam, Kuala Res. Front opposite. I never want to buy Pongo women as a speaker. Kimana ma. When I cement I shall go. When I cement chicken. Give back here. Oh, you go calendar line. So guys, similarly, that song. It's a sunny day and everybody is feeling okay. Hoza Sidi Sama, Hoza Gagash. So little Gagash Rusuka Kokwala. So I said, I'm we Gagash. So fika la kung swing of Tamukela Lakaya. So it's more like they were teasing me for Gagash. So refer to such shares. I didn't like it at first up until today. So they're more popular as compared to my name. As compared to my name, so for sure now you know what this is.
Okay, it makes sense. I ain't got simra kona yeto ko Gagash le yuvurwa ko nkasila. Yeah, so as shosh Gagash nga kombisa simra kona is Summertime by DJ Tira. Ndataka lero ka ri nga music video kwana mo swo music video swi normal ku na hlamba swi normal we no. So ntakumbela ku va hitaka lero ra ro ka ri nga kombi na ni video la ya ra mp3 and stuff like that. Kota ku twa section yako. Let's go. Sure. As you can see, bongo mga camera tiva vele nga khalm coming sala ta house. Na minor to ku ningisela house mo. Ngite. Ngute la subiza o Gagash, Hoza Gagash. Okay. Sure. So sisa ri tlanga ngopfu la and the very siviza vo Gagash. Swo swi nga ndako vazimbabwe ava vulaka va za va n'wi thya ku hi Gagash, so it makes sense. So hi la vito ra Gagash ri huma kona. Yes, a swi to Gagash swi dumini mara vo tala hi nga swi tivi ku vito leri hi ri suka kwini. Risimu leri na ri tiva but a ni nga hleketi ku nga kha ku vuliwe Gagash la ndeka ro risimu leriwa khale a ni ti ni ri nga ri hume rini a ri ta ra khale na ri upload hi 2014 mara I think ra khale ra music video ku ni cheka na ku ri kombe 2012 ra khale risimu leri, because loko se hi ri cheka laha marona loko hi ri cheka laha ri komba ma 2012 a swi komba ri ra khale ngopfu khale ra kha swanda mibalo tlhari ri uploada mara a hi tele ngopfu swo ri humerini but a hi tela ngopfu vito ra Gagash nxoko hinkwenu se awe ku ri huma ku ri vito ra Gagash and stuffs like that. Let's go.
Best.